I am going for an evening walk inside the campus. I'm going towards Peacock Lake. A nice evening, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like.
Kalam tuang kha ka chui kir to lo ai se na thamel wang in loi clip pui kan mu le to lo matyang ka son zel do ne chon dan kwan in kai la tu dang kang ai to lo lam tuang sui yang.
It's Sunday. I am going to church. This is my church behind. We are having a Mizo Christian fellowship out here every Sunday at 4 p.m.
TUDANG kang ai to lo.
We are going out for a midnight ice cream, but sadly TAWH bakery is already closed. So what are we having, Robert? This is Robert. There's a long queue, so we have to wait. So tonight I'm helping out my friend redecorate her room. It's actually putting a chart paper and some frames, pictures on the wall. She recently moved into a new room and the wall is covered in magazines, papers like this.
Kalam tuang kha ka chui kir to lo ai se na thamel wang in loi clip pui kan mu le to lo matyang ka son zel do ne chon dan bwa
This side versus
tu dang kang ai
this
to
side.
lo lam tuang sui yang se ma se lim ten kwa wa pui le tur ni pui lo sha vel chin.
Okay, so guys, what happened is I haven't watched the movie Wonder Woman and I've been waiting, and all the tickets are sold out for the past few days. And plus, I don't get time to go out and spare some time from my studies because, as I've mentioned earlier, I'm so busy with my theses and I couldn't spare any time. And just now, we were just going through the tickets, and luckily there's 2 seats available at the end of the theater, which was already full before. I'm rushing. It's a 10:30 show. I'll be going there. I am so hungry, so I'm gonna get something to eat before the movie starts. Let's see what I want. Burger King.
TUDANG kang ai to lo.
It's shining. Well, the movie was awesome. It was well scripted, and man, Gal Gadot, she was so hot. Everything about the movie was so good. It was probably one of the best DC movie that I've seen so far, and I really enjoyed it. It's almost 6 a.m. in the morning, and it's raining heavily for the first time in this summer in Hyderabad, so I cannot just let it go. I have to watch.
lâm thoa suy yang say mà sẽ lim tên qua qua vui lệ tour đi vui lâu xa về chi mà sẽ
So this is mutton halina. So yeah, we're gonna try it. So guys, I'm studying today and it's already 5 in the evening. I'm about to have my evening snacks. Today my laptop won't cooperate with me. I have to write lots of work. I made myself some sanpiao. I hope most of you know it. If not, it's a rice porridge, a congee, originated from China and then popularized in Burma, and it's a very fond dish of mine, and let me show it to you. Here it is. I add a little bit of noodles, and these are the crispies. I've added chili, soy sauce, and fish sauce to enhance the taste. That's so yummy, but it's still hot. I'm riding a cycle right now. See? It is such a pretty evening. It's almost dark. Let me give you a quick tour of our university campus. This is the guest house, which has lake view, and Gurbaksh Singh Maidan.
Xem đầm thì phim mình thôi đâm Durni puin cả lắm thua ngà em Chiều là ăn ta dung tên mình để lo Khá lắm luôn khá
Egg plate bread bhaji, egg plate samosa. Samosa hai kya? Hey, so it's Saturday evening now. I just took a bath. I studied the whole night last night. There's nothing much to vlog. Actually, I'm too busy this month. I feel like it's gonna be a really boring first monthly vlog. It's not raining today, luckily, but it's quite humid. And I sat on my bed and look outside the window right next to me, and there are birds chirping everywhere. I didn't take my camera on earlier, so it has subsided a little bit, but let me try to show it to you if you could hear it. Good morning, guys. So I was up all night sitting in the reading room and writing my chapters once again. I did not sleep even just a wink. Now I just had my breakfast and I'm walking back towards hostel. It's around, let me check the time. It's 7 a.m. right now. I'll go back to my room, and I don't think I'll sleep today because I still have some more to write. But it's a beautiful morning. It refreshes me a lot. Look at this place.
chốn đàn qua nín cài là tu đăng càng ai tỏ long lâm thoa suy yang say mà sẽ lim tên lim.
You handsome. Are you scared of me? Are you scared of me? He's following me. He is following me. Look at how he walks. So this is the entrance of my hostel. No guys allowed except the workers. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and another one behind, 5 hostels inside this compound. Cycles everywhere, cycles everywhere. And this is my hostel. So it's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and my hostel is hostel number 2. That little corner is my room. Look what I've got! My own thesis, my dissertation book, and it's printed out.
Chốn đàn hoa nín mím cài là tu đăng càng ai tỏ long lâm thoa suy yang say mà sẽ lim tên qua quả bùi lệ tur nịp bùi lâu xa về trên mà sẽ anh đang càng